Hi there, I'm John from CNCKing.com, and today we'll make custom anodized aluminum tags. Although we can do these tags on literally anything here in the shop, there's a nice area where the anodized aluminum works. The first one is you don't have to apply any paint or coating onto it as if it was wood. The second advantage to it is it's very easy to rivet and it's very lightweight. So a lot of our aerospace customers, we actually use anodized aluminum over, let's say, stainless steel, just because of the weight consideration. Now we can also make these out of stainless steel, and the nice thing about the stainless steel is that you could tack weld them or weld them to your project. While in this case here, if it's anodized aluminum, you need to rivet them to your job, or you can put double-sided tape and stick them to what you need to have done. Now these are our standard welding tags. They're 1 inch by 3 inch anodized aluminum black. And if you wanted them on a stainless steel, again, they're the same size. Now the nice thing about anodized aluminum here in the shop is that we can customize the tag however you want. So let's say you wanted a 2 by 4 or whatever size you wanted, we can do that for you. And we can also do custom shapes. So if you wanted this in this, let's say the shape of a triangle or a duck or a bear or whatever you can think of, we can do that for you. Now, of course, when we go totally custom, there are some minimum requirements. Otherwise, the cost per unit is exorbitantly high because all the costs go into the one unit. So generally for custom anodized aluminum tags, if you want a special color, we don't do color matching or Pantone, but let's say you wanted like a fire engine red, we'll have like a deep red for that. We can also custom colorize them on one side. Now when it comes to your design options, they're limitless regarding the engraving. Here's some examples here of tags I made earlier for samples. And you can see everything is nice and clear, but you will also notice that the color that our laser does on these things are always an off-white. Now it's not a pure white, and it's not a gray, it's just an off-white. It's sort of not even a beige, it's just sort of, it's a contrasting color, and it doesn't matter what color we do the anodizing in, the color that the laser does is always an off-white. So if you're looking for custom anodized aluminum tags, any size, any shape, any material, because again we go different thicknesses as well. We can go 0.02, 0.04, 0.06 inches and so forth. Contact me at CNCKing.com and we'll make them for you.